This is a picture of the silk mill where Sojourner Truth, David Ruggles, and 80 other of their communard friends lived in the silk mill that they used to manufacture silk. So they would live in these upper floors and manufacture silk down below. And the silk mill was just beyond the ridge of this pine grove where we stand now. And we still have pine trees, northern white pines, the same species and the original species in New England of the massive pine grove that was here. In the summertime, the utopian community would come here to meet in the summertime under a 150-foot tall old growth pine tree which stood about where I'm standing. It continued to be a primary meeting place of the village, and the abolitionists would gather here under the big tree for their meetings. And we have a record of a meeting July 8, 1856, where Sojourner Truth, Basil Dorsey, Thomas H. Jones all spoke from the platform at a Fremont for Freedom meeting here. And one gentleman had the temerity to get up and talk in favor of slavery, saying that the South had the right to bring slavery here into the North anywhere they could bring it if they could get the votes in favor of it. Thomas H. Jones, a fugitive slave here in Florence, stood up and gave him a severe but just rebuke. So that's the kind of place Florence continued to be, even 10 years after the Northampton Association broke up, and it continued here in the pine grove until finally in 1888 they had to cut the big tree down to